Boss like these, the 8/8 Chevy rider, baby. We back with another video. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, like the channel. You know what I'm saying? I ain't real big on it, but we do, we do. Trying to get a little tune up on this thing. Station wagon. Runs pretty good. Got some bad mufflers on there. We gotta get them off there. Clothes on. You can hear it. Motor strong though. I'll tell me what you think, huh? 84 Capri Station wagon. 350.